Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to audit the website. If your website is not ranked on your Google, first you have to audit the website. What is the error of your website? What are the things why your website is not ranked on Google? So we have a good software which name is Screaming Frog. You just click on your type Screaming Frog. You can get this interface. Okay, so this how it's look like. So you can download. Here you can click download button. Okay, I'm going to select as Windows operating system. Select whatever operating system you have. If you have Mac, you can select as Mac. Linux. I go along with the Windows. Click on this. Now it is running off here. You can wait until the download completed. After download the frog, you have to install them. Click on this, open the folder. This one I am going to extract it, and okay, this one the exe will be there. Double click on this. Okay, this is the location where I going to install. Click next. Create a desktop shortcut. Yes, install. You have to wait until the installation completed. Now your setup has been completed. Click finish. Now I am going to open the Screaming Frog. Click on this. Now let's audit our websites. Okay, what is the error and everything. So here it's open. Accept the license. So here it is configuring. You have to wait until the thing has been configuring. Okay, you have to wait. Now you can see this open successfully. Now I am going to enter the URL. So I'm going to enter the URL as my website. I'm going to search my website. Open as a URL as my website. Let's open up. It's getting stuck. This is my website. I just copy this URL and I'm going to paste on it my Screaming Frog, and you can see the selection how the things works. Click here. Now let's click start. Now you have to wait until all the things it find out our website, what are the errors and everything. It will find out here. It's taken the address and it will be here. Okay, it's fine. Something fine. It's correction something else where I'm going to correct something else. It will be here. Everything here. School limit. Okay, it's no problem because we have to purchase the full license. Then only we can get full result. Okay, this is not a free. Okay, see, but we can the free. The limitation, we can get some of the benefits. Okay, it's not provide Screaming Frog not provide the fully free software. Okay, so the some we can get some benefit. They are giving the free features. Some of the importance of they are giving the free features. Okay, if you want to get all of the SEO related stuff, you have to purchase the Screaming Frog software. Okay, so you just go to that particular website. Uh, you can see the prices. Okay, subscription base you can buy them. So at the free, you will be able to get lot of what are the issues available and everything. You can get a lot of benefits. Okay, so here you still scroll completed. It's complete. Now you can see what are the problem. Here you can see the issues. Here this index issues, the you can say links page without the internal outlink, no followers. Okay, these are the issues are there. Here there are the index. These are the issues you can see here. So you can see the h1 tag missing here. You click the h1. These are there is no h1 tag missing here. H2 to do missing, meta keywords missing here, the meta keywords missing. You'll be able to find out the where is the meta feed, the description missing, where the description missing. These are the things you have. There's no description. Okay here. So you can this everything you can get analysis. Canonical tags. Okay, no followers. Okay, they are what are the issues. Okay here. This is a your overview. You can see all the issues. Okay, page URL here. Canonical and tag these multiple these all the this we can go through and check it. Issues, what are the issues here? You can go one by one and you can search it and you can get the benefit of it. Okay, the purchase directive images. Okay, so you can get it. Okay, so you can go here this can images and h1 tag, you can include the h1 tag. These are the links. There is no h1 tag. You can go and implement the h1 tag. Okay, you can get the help. Meta description, these are the links. There is no meta description. You can implement the meta description. Okay, meta keywords, meta description here. Okay, there's zero. You can see the meta description. These are the pages you can include it. These are the pages you are not included. What are the pages not included? It will be listed here. Zero means it's not included. Go those pages you can include and correct the mistakes. Okay, so the issues you can go these particular pages. What are the things? Okay, this one they are highly recommended. These are the issues. Okay, the h1 missing. Okay, these are the page title missing here. Medium, there is a problem with the title missing, the header section. These are all the things you can check and do it. Spelling, grammar, these are things also the things. There's no, it's not indicate the spelling mistakes. Everything fine. I think the API response time, the response time, you can know everything. You can check it. Okay, the site structure. These are site structure of website. Okay, these are site structure. Okay, so it's a site structure. You'll be able to see the things, everything perfectly. So these are issues. These are the issues. Okay, go one by one. For here page title and meta description, meta tags, everything. The page it has been shown the error along with the pages. Okay, one by one you go and correct it your pages. Okay, meta description, what are the pages not available, what is the pages available, what is the pages not available, you can write it the meta description. Okay, thank you for watching. Do what I said, you can easily rank your website. Okay, the site audit it must. Site audit which is nothing but to correct the error to help us to rank our website into Google. That's the purpose we are using the website auditing. There are plenty of software for using site auditing, but this is the desktop. This is the very powerful and famous software, screaming software. Thank you for watching.